Can you blow out the candle? What do you do to blow out the candle? No, 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 no touching, remember? What do you do? No, no. We've covered this. Here, maybe I'll just really blow it out myself. I'll blow it out myself.
Oh.
Oh, now what would you have done? Oh, is this smoke very cool? What do you do? No, no. You don't touch. What do you do? Remember? What were you doing before? That's why I got the video. You were so good at it. Come on. Can you do it?
Oh.
You like the smoke?
Oh.
So dramatic. Whoa.
Hey, Henry, blow. Blow on it. Can you blow on it? Don't touch it. No, no, don't touch. Just blow, remember? That's why I got the video. Okay, never mind. Can you do it? Oh. You did it about 100 times in a row. Henry. Hey, are we going to Riley's birthday party today? Are you going to show her how to blow out her candles? Oh.
Oh.
Uh-huh. Where'd it go? Did I put it up high?